Namaste. I am Dr. Santosh Hiremath from Karnataka, K.R.BELLAD Arts and Commerce College and PG Studies in Economics, MUNDARGI. Today I would like to explain about basic language skills. What is a language? Language is a system that not only includes words but also written symbols, body language, and gestures. It includes the four basic language skills. First one is active listening, and second one is speaking effectively, and third one is reading well, and fourth one proficient writing. These are skills are usually learned in that order by anyone who wants to learn a new language. First one is active listening. Listening is a lot more than simply hearing what someone is saying. There is a big difference between hearing and listening. Hearing is when you don't really register the words, instead, you nod and smile, while your mind is drifting off to Neverland. It is called hearing. Now, listening is an activity where you are fully engaged, not only when you registering their words, but also getting curious to learn more. It is called listening. There is a lot of difference between hearing and listening. When we hear, words are not registered in our mind. When you listen, that time, that activity register in our mind. And you want to actively understand what they are trying to convey. You give them your complete attention. You ask more questions than giving answers. You listen first, speak, or interject later. This is about active listening. And second one, speaking impactfully. This is the second skill of basic language. If there is a one communication skill everyone needs, but many fear in front of an audience, presentations, meetings, and speeches. It may even be communicating with an interviewer. If you have applied for a job, speaking well helps you in many areas of life. This is about speaking impactfully. You speak clearly and concisely to draw your audience attention. You are able to convey your ideas, thoughts, and opinions with impact. You have the capacity to overcome a fear of public speaking with practice. You are more likely you ace your interviews or client meetings by speaking impactfully. These are all speaking skills, how to speak impactfully. And third one, reading well. This is the third skill of language. Reading well, when you read, you take your time to understand what the author's trying to convey with words. with their words, whether it is a novel or online articles or even a business report. You are able to understand what the author wants to convey that the first time. It helps to convey the people. You manage your time well without spending hours with that text. You can draw conclusions, write summaries, and analyze the content without a problem. You make notes and memos, so it is easier to identify parts of text. You are not afraid to tackle 100-page report because you know how to approach a large body of text. And fourth one and last one, proficient writing. This is a last skill of language. Proficient writing, linguistic skills are incomplete without proficient writing abilities. Writing well means sufficiently present your ideas. You don't have write long, complex sentences stuffed with heavy vocabulary to write well. What do you need is the ability to convey your thoughts in short, crisp sentences. Writing well you help you with business communications, or if you are in a creative field, it means you are an author, you are a novelist, you are a poet. That time that involves copywriting, blogs, or social media posts. Here, some aspect of proficient writing. So you know how to structure your writing to generate interest. You can tell a story with your words to make your communication all the more interesting. Your writings is sufficient, clear, and precise without wasting words. You are able to put your thoughts into words. You can summarize long reports and texts for easier to understand. These four language skills from the pillars of effective, impactful, and strong communication. Building, refining, and perfecting these skills will help you more and make progress in your career. Thank you.